This tutorial shows how to control the speed of a motor with an analog input. The aim of the program is to make the analog input control the speed of the motor and add instructions to make the traffic light LEDs indicate speed. Green for low, yellow for medium, and red for high. We begin in design mode by selecting the motor and traffic LEDs from the outputs gallery and the analog input from the input sensors gallery. To build the program, it's clearer to switch to the system view. We start by creating a control module for the program. The program script appears in this panel. We shall use it to control the motor. The input for the module is the analog input. It gives a reading that varies between 0 and 100% as you twist the knob. Drag a link from the When tab to the analog input and set the condition to is greater than 0. Drag a link from Until to When. This will stop the motor when the greater than 0 condition no longer applies. Now drag a link from the Outputs tab to the motor. We make the analog input control the speed here. We can see how this works in run mode. Back to design mode, we will next use the traffic LEDs to indicate speed. We create a control module for indicating when the speed is low. Drag a link from When to the analog input and set the condition to is greater than 0 and less than 40. Again, drag a link from Until to When so that the LED goes off when the condition no longer holds. Link the Outputs tab to the LEDs, select green and type the label. It saves effort to duplicate this module for indicating medium speed. We adjust the while condition to greater than 40 and less than 80. This time we set the yellow LED. In a similar way, we create a module and program to indicate high speed. The while condition is greater than 80. And the color is set to red. We can switch back to the scene view now, but it helps to tidy the layout of the modules. Here is the complete program. We can see it work in run mode. Finally, we can send the program to the microbit.